Good evening, eighth grade parents. My name is Mr. Kennedy, and I'm the computer science teacher here at Dover Area Middle School. I'm just sending this quick video out before we have our back to school night, which is Wednesday, August 31st. We're going to be out on the football field at the stadium, so we're not going to have a whole lot of access to technology. So I figured I'd send this video just to give you some information about what we do in eighth grade computer class. So in eighth grade computer class, we basically are going to be doing three things. We're going to be using a website called VEX, and VEX is a website that deals with robotics. So students are going to learn in the 45 days that I have them about how to build robots, how to code them to do different things. So the first half of class, the students will be actually coding a virtual robot. So what you see in front of you here is the virtual reality VEX website. And there's some code that they're going to use to program a robot to do different activities. And right here is our virtual robot. And if you look, what our virtual robot looks like. And this just happens to be the Castle Crasher lesson that they're going to do. So they use this code here on the left side to make their robot do whatever the lesson tells them to do. So the nice thing is they use what they call block coding, and that's the same coding that the students used in 6th and 7th grade as well. When they get to the high school, if they want to take a coding class, they actually learn specific programming languages where they actually have to type out code like they would in the real world. So this is kind of the first part of class. The second part of class, they actually are going to build real robots. So they're going to be using a website called VEX IQ, and they're going to be doing what they call STEM labs. So they're going to build some robots, and below are all the different STEM labs and activities. Now, we're not going to get to all of them, but as you can see, these are what some of the robots look like and what they're going to be doing. So we're going to build the robots, which is going to take some time, and then we're going to use this same code, but instead of programming a virtual robot, they're going to program actually a real robot. So that's basically what most of the class is made up of. The other part of the class is our digital literacy component. So I do have digital literacy in 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade. And in 8th grade, they're going to be using a course called Digital Literacy Pro. And basically what this just covers a broad range of topics on the latest technology, digital citizenship, how to search the internet, things like that. So we take a couple lessons, and we normally do this on Fridays, and there's a test at the end that they have to take and things like that. So that's kind of those three things will make up their computer grade for this year. So I may not have your child right now in class. They may have me in the middle of the year or the end of the year, but if I do have your child, you have probably received my syllabus electronically or an email from me just introducing myself. So here I am again. So if you have any questions, my contact information can be found on the Dover website. Again, my name is Mr. Kennedy, and I am the computer science teacher at the middle school. And if you're going to show up to the back to school night on Wednesday, I hope to see you there. Have a good night.